In order to schedule an appointment, I am now on the schedule. So if I take my mouse to the left, click on schedule, it now brings me into my schedule. As you can see multiple people at the same time, or if I only want to see one therapist at a time, I can do that. I can see a work week view, which is a Monday through Friday view. At the top, if I click week, I could see a 7-day week on the calendar. I can also see for the day itself, or I can see for the month or an agenda type viewing of the schedule. So in order to schedule an appointment, pick a day and a time on the calendar, double click on that day and time. I will then pick the patient's name from the list, pick their current case or episode. Provider, it would be the provider who's scheduling it, or an office member can select a provider as well. Indicate the visit type. So each office will set these visit types up as evaluation, daily notes, whatever they want to call them. Attendance will start out as none when you're first scheduling it. I can also schedule ahead. So I click weekly recurrence box, and then where it said weekdays, mark the days that I want to put them on my calendar and for how many weeks. So you can schedule ahead up to 26 weeks on your calendar. Once they're on your calendar, you'll just click save, and then that appointment is on the calendar. Once it's on your calendar, if anything changes and you need to reschedule, it's a drag and drop to move it around on their calendar to different days or times.